Here's a Daikin air conditioner running. This replaced a Bryant 661CJ air conditioner a couple years ago. I'm sorry for the darkness, it's kind of laid out. Ice cold and sweaty. This from 2021, and it is a whatever that says. And there's the model. There's also another one on the other side of the building as well. Make my way over to that one real quick. That one right there. Not running. These have Copeland scroll compressors. You can barely see that logo. This one's the same one, I'm pretty sure. 13 seer. And this one is a 2021 Focus bitch. There you go. And whatever tonnage that is, I can't really see it too well. Has not been running. So yeah. Figured I'd get some quick videos of these real quick. And pictures. So anyways. Yep. There's that one again. There's a logo on it. So, thanks for watching.